Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So previously on the Discord, I've given Luna Classic, which is pretty much met, all right. And on the Twitter, I used to tell people message me, and I'm going to tell you one idea. If you invest $100, you're gonna get maybe 2x back, and that was SHIB back in May. Of course, this is a long time, but if you have missed SHIB, if you have missed Bonk, if you missed Pepe, you may not want to miss this one that I'm about to tell you for totally free. All you have to do is scroll down, be my friend, and click on Discord. Click this Discord. When you join Discord, go to the announcement, click my name, and just say, "Hey Adam, I'm coming from YouTube, and please tell me the name of the coin." Literally, you don't want to miss it. Okay, it's just like how I was giving ICP calls back in the days when it was down at $6 and stuff like that. That coin, consider buying ICP right here. How does that feel? That coin is down. It has not just moved yet, and it may move. I don't know, because the market is already moving, and it is moving, and but it still has chance for you to enter. It's still an entry opportunity. Now ICP may do something as AR. Okay, so AR ICPs are pretty much on the very same verge here, and AR went from nearly $7 all the way up to 32 something dollars. Okay, I think ICP is on the same journey. We are witnessing on the weekly time frame, if I turn off the log scale for a while here, probably the weekly is the biggest hint that ICP is making in a flag. So if you notice, we got a little bit of a pennant here that is going on. So if this pennant does get broken up, I think ICP is ready to push from there to there, and we are looking for a $23 technical target, and that's where you previously had your resistance down, and then if you come up here, if you make it up here and you break above, right, then let me tell you where ICP is about to go. Right, take the top, because again, I'm going to tell you one thing before we close the video. All of this is a pattern, which is a saucer pen bottom right there. If you do something like this, and this is on the weekly, it can take a little bit of more time, of course, but the main topic here is if you end up doing something like that, which you probably are about to do. Okay, this is still another pennant in the making, and hopefully you go to the upside. When you do that and you cross this and you make this rounded bottom, so the technical target for the rounded bottom is going to be from there to there, and you might be looking at ICP getting ready to fly to $43, and I still expect ICP to go at least to even $80 and beyond even that if we get a nice massive bull run, at least something coming up here like this. And imagine if you make it to $80, you're going to make even another bigger rounded bottom like this and break and go to even $160. Crazy, right? So that's all for the video, and message me. Make sure you do this early. Things are moving, the coins are moving. I don't know if you have too much time, honestly. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.